students, now we will see the remaining sums of question number 1, exercise 9.2, rational numbers. So till fourth one we have seen in the previous video. Now moving ahead, so fifth one, this is our fifth question. Minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. So here first fraction is negative, okay, plus second fraction is also negative. So first of all we have to see the question carefully. So first part is minus 8 upon 19 and second is minus 2 upon 57. So first of all, 19 and 57, we need to take out the LCM of 19 and 57. So if you see carefully, in 19 table 57 comes, right? 19 threes is 57. So the LCM will be 57. Okay, if you are not knowing orally, you can do it like this. Directly you can do like this. 19 will not come in any table. It is a prime number. So we have to start with 19's table. 19 ones are 19 and 19 threes are 57. Now in next step we will take 3 ones are 3. Okay. So this both we will multiply. So our final answer of LCM will be 57. So 57 will be our LCM. So the denominator should be 57. Here also it should be 57 and here also it should be 57. Now let us move ahead. Okay. First part is minus 8 upon 19. Okay, this is our first fraction. Now minus 8 upon 19, our first fraction is this. Now 19 को किससे multiply करेंगे so that our answer is 57. So you need to think over it. So 19's table you have to check out. 19 threes is 57. So first fraction we will multiply it by 3. Understood? Now moving ahead with the second fraction. Second fraction is minus 2 upon 57. So now already 57 is there. 57 is our LCM and 57 is already given in the denominator. So we don't have to multiply with any number, or you can write multiply by 1 because 57 हमको आंसर चाहिए and 57 already numerator में है. So you can write into 1. Now before we go to the multiplication part, we need to adjust the sign. Here the first part minus is there, so here no problem, minus 8 upon 19, here there is no problem. But in the second part, if you see, middle sign is plus and then it is minus 2 upon 57 here. Okay, two signs are given together, two signs plus and then this minus. जब भी दो साइन आपको साथ में दी हो without any number in between, ये दोनों साइन साथ में दी है, तो you have to multiply and make it one sign. ओके, पहले उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके आपको व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू मेक इट वन साइन. नाउ देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर दिस साइन बिकॉज इट इज ओनली वन नेगेटिव minus 8 upon 19. सो ये वाली साइन जो है फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज. which sign you have to change? Middle sign, this part. So plus into minus is minus, so the middle sign will be minus. Can you see over here? Plus and then minus 2 upon 57 is given, right? So plus into minus will be minus. So in place of this two sign, we will write only one sign and that is of minus. I hope it is clear. We are applying integer rules. So moving ahead, first fraction is minus 8 upon 19. First part we will multiply with 3 because 19 3 is 57. Now next, which sign you will put? Minus sign. Why? Because plus into minus is minus. So the middle sign will be minus. Now minus, and here we are multiplying with 1. LCM we are doing, that already we saw. So we have to multiply with 1. Now next step. Now you have to first multiply the number carefully and then put the negative sign with the answer. यहाँ पे negative sign है, तो जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो negative आएगा, माइनस में आएगा. Okay, so 8 3s is 24 and minus is given, so minus 24 upon 57 will be the first answer. Next, the middle sign is minus, so keep here minus. Next, 2 ones are 2 and 57 ones are 57, so 2 upon 57. So now we are getting this after LCM and after multiplying. Now denominator is same, 57 and 57, so we will write it only one time, and here minus 24 and minus 2 we will write it together. Now both numbers are negative, minus 24 and minus 2. Whenever both numbers are negative, हमको क्या करना है? We have to do addition, but sign we have to keep of the greater number. Okay, means minus. So 24 and 2 we have to add. करना ऐड है पर साइन माइनस की रखनी है आपको. ओके, सो 24 प्लस 2 विल बी 26 एंड ग्रेटर नंबर साइन मीन्स ग्रेटर नंबर इज 24 और 24 की साइन माइनस है, सो माइनस 26 विल बी योर आंसर. सो minus 24 minus 2 will be minus 26 upon 57. So this is the solution part of fifth one. Now moving ahead with the sixth part. Sixth one is very easy. Minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. Now if you add 0 with any number, any fraction or any rational number, okay, 0 की क्या वैल्यू है? 0 is neutral, it has no value. So कोई भी नंबर में आप 0 ऐड करोगे, it will not make any change. Your answer will be this only, minus 2 upon 3. So no need to solve it. Directly you can write minus 2 upon 3. Okay, or if you wish you can show the calculation like this. 0 के नीचे कोई भी डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है तो they have written 0 upon 3. क्योंकि 0 के नीचे आप 0 upon 3 लिखोगे then also it will remain 0. It will not make any difference. You can do directly minus 2 upon 3 plus 0. 0 means nothing. So what is our answer? Minus 2 upon 3 is our answer because plus 0 will get removed. 0 means nothing. So minus 2 upon 3 is our answer. Now seventh one. In seventh one, the first fraction and the second fraction both are mixed fraction. So first of all, mixed fraction को improper fraction में convert करेंगे. First step is we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now also first part is negative. So minus की sign दी है आपको. So you have to be careful. It is minus 2 integer 1 upon 3. So minus you keep as it is. Okay, and now you convert this part. Minus you keep it as it is. Okay, and now convert this part. So 3 2s are, what is 3 2s are? 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 upon 3. Okay, so this was mixed fraction. We have converted it into improper fraction. And minus is given. So minus 7 upon 3. What will be our answer? Our answer will be minus 7 upon 3. Understood? Now second part is positive. So no problem of sign. Put plus and convert again. So it is 4 integer 3 upon 5. 4 integer 3 upon 5. Convert कर देंगे इसको. So 4 5 जा और 5 4 जा 20 and plus 3. So 23 upon 5. So second part will be 23 upon 5. Now we will take LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. Okay, so denominator of both should be 15. So first fraction 7 upon 3 है, right? तो 7 upon 3 है, तो with what number we will multiply so that we get 15? So we know that 3 5 is 15. So we need to multiply this part with 5. So first fraction we will multiply by 5 and second fraction 5 3s are 15. So this fraction we will multiply by 3. So this way we will do multiplication. Now first we will multiply the numbers and then we will keep this negative sign. Negative sign is given so that you need to keep it with the answer. So 7 5s will be 35 and minus is given, so minus 35 upon 15. Now next part is 23 3s. So 23 3s is 69 upon 15. So minus 35 plus 16 and whole upon 15. Okay, denominators are same, LCM ले लिया, denominator same. Now we can add it together. So we have to add up minus 35 plus 69 upon 15. Now what will be minus 35 plus 69? I told you previously also that if one number is positive and other number is negative, we will always do subtraction. करना आपको minus है, but sign with the answer will be of greater number. मतलब 69 में से 35 आपको minus करना है. 69 में से minus 35 करेंगे. We are applying integer rules. We have done the chapter integers. So 69 minus 35. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So 34 is our answer. Now answer we got. Now we have to decide sign. So greater number is 69 and 69 is positive. मतलब plus sign आएगी. So it is plus 34. You can write plus 34 or you can write only 34. Both are same. Okay, no sign is given. That means it is positive, it is plus. So our final answer is 34 upon 15. Now again 34 upon 15 you can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, we have seen in the previous sum we got the same answer 34 upon 15. So 34 upon 15, if you write till here then also it is correct. This is also correct answer. Or if you wish you can convert it into mixed fraction. 34 को 15 से divide कर लो. Okay, and after dividing you will get this answer. 2 integer 4 upon 15 will be your final answer of 7th one. So this was question number 1 of exercise 9.2. Hope you understood.